Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a look at a typical family. But first, let's revise the names we use for family members. Mother or mum, father or dad, sister, brother, grandfather or grandpa, grandmother or grandma, uncle, aunt or auntie, cousin, nephew, niece, grandchild. This is Anne. She is Tom's friend. Anne has a family, a father, a mother, a sister, a grandma, and a grandpa. Her mother is a teacher. She is a music teacher. She is 37. Her father is a pilot. He flies planes. He is 40. Her sister is a student. She studies at the college. She is 16. Her grandmother is 70. She can cook very well. Her grandpa is 72. He likes to play funny tricks on his grandchildren. Anne likes her family very much. Let's listen to what Anne is saying about her family.
My sister can play the guitar, but she can't play the piano. My grandma can make cookies, but she can't make sushi. My grandpa can make people laugh, but he can't speak Russian.
So when you say, I can, it means I am able to do something. For example, I can swim. When you say, I can't, it means you are not able to do something. For example, I can't fly a plane. Let's listen to a conversation between Anne and her Russian pen friend, Katya.
Anne, can you speak Italian? No, I can't. Can you speak French? Yes, I can. I learned French at school. What about tennis? Can you play tennis? Yes, I can. I can play tennis very well.
Today, we've had a close look at a typical family and family members. What about your family members? Is your mum kind? Is your father clever? Is your sister sweet? Is your brother naughty? What can they do well? Thank you for your attention. See you next time.